Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. I am Professor Sajjad Bachar. Today I am going to share the experiences of my life with you people regarding the variant conditions in which sometime or most of the time we are facing the problems of life. So today I am going to tell you about the secret of a peaceful and happy life. You can see that I am walking on Ring Road, Mardan, and I have started my journey from my village, and now I am close to Turu, which is at a distance of 7 to 8 kilometers, and I have traveled all the journey as pedestrian, and I really enjoyed, and I want to share with you people as well that the problem is that we are not taking interest in nature. When we are not taking interest in nature, nature is not taking interest in us. Life is very beautiful. It is so pleasant. Now just see, I am passing near a township which is very beautiful. The source of happiness, enjoyment, flowers are there. There are beautiful trees. So when we want to create happiness for ourselves, we can easily do that. But if we are not interested to change our life, we are unable. You can see these are the green fields. Different types of vegetables have been grown, and there is nothing but only happiness. And Wordsworth says that nature never did betray the hearts that loved it. Please participate in the activities of life. Go for at least 1 kilometer walk daily, because your life is yours. You are the master of it. You can pass your life on the hospital bed, and you can also pass your life in the lush greenery. Now you can see the lush greenery is there. The farmers are working. They are the golden minds and hands who are working for the development of this country. So I invite you, be positive in life, work for others, live for others, share with others. Knowledge which is not based on experience is not knowledge. It is just a bulk of information. And information are verified when we wash the knowledge with the tonic of experiences. So today I got the experience that when we are not participating, we are not enjoying life, we have no habit of walking, so life becomes a burden for all of us. And life is a blessing. The only thing it needs your action, your thinking. You can see these are the fields of potatoes. That is the field of sugar cane. Young blood is there. They are enjoying the sugar cane. So I invite you all that kick the sorrows, unwrap the happiness, make it your habit to walk daily, because walk is the only doctor that protects you from all mental, physical and spiritual diseases. Great walkers are always great thinkers and great leaders. So try your level best to participate in the activities of life and make your life the most beautiful. Thank you.